Hello guys. Today we are discussing about our chapter number 1 in 1.5 tenses. Okay. Before that we discussed chapter number 1.1 articles, preposition, conjunctions, types of sentences. Okay. Today's video we are discussing tenses. Can you tell me what is mean by tenses? Tenses means time. Okay, before tenses we discuss the course outcomes. General outcomes: students should understand the time in the sentences, as well as they should use appropriate time in appropriate sentences. Means students should formulate grammatically correct sentences and they construct their own sentences as per the appropriate situation. This is a simple course outcomes. Second, examination point of view, you know the chapter number 1, it will be asked for maximum 20 marks, minimum 12 marks. It will be asked in question number 6a, 6c, question number 5b and question number 4e. This topic, that is tenses, it will be asked in question number 6c. Use appropriate form of tenses. Okay, there are two sentences. It is your duty to write appropriate form of tenses in these two sentences. These two sentences are asked for 4 marks. Have you got it? General outcomes: students should enable to construct their own sentences. Second, examination point of view, it will be asked in question number 6c for 4 marks. There are two sentences. Use appropriate form of verb. So now we are discussing 1.5 tenses. Tenses, it is a Latin word. Guys, tenses, it is a Latin word which means time in the sentence. You know, the word which indicate time in sentence is called verb. Here, verb indicate times, verb indicate manners, verb indicate meaning, verbs indicate what the subject are doing in the sentence, means action also in sentence. Okay, the word which denotes action in the sentence is called verb. Along with action, it denotes time, manner, etc. in the sentence. So we are discussing the variety of verbs, maybe the time in verbs. Have you got it? Tenses means, it is a Latin word which means time. Look, in grammar, tense is a category that expresses time. What is this? Tenses, it is a category which expresses time. Reference with reference to the moment of speaking. It refers the moment of speaking. It refers the moment of time. Tenses are usually manifested by the use of specific form of verb. It consists, it is, it belongs to specific form of verbs, particularly in their conjunctions pattern, different pattern. Okay, it is very essential to have knowledge of tenses for correct use of a language to establish effective communication. It is general introductions. Tenses are nothing but it indicate the time. Okay, it refers the specific moment. Okay, it is referred in variety of forms and it is useful. It is a demand of the age, it is demand of the language that we should use appropriate time in appropriate situation for effective communication. Okay, then there are types of tenses. There are three types of tenses. You know that because you learn tenses from 5th standard: present, past and future. These are the three times. Look at the examples. We watch movie every weekend. Present time, watch. We underline verb watch because subject plus predicate, it is a construction of assertive sentence. It is a construction of statement. Here, we watch movies every weekend. Present time. B, we wrote an application for that job yesterday. Wrote. Past tense. C, you will complete the project by next month. Will complete. Future times. I give simple suggestions, simple formula to identify tenses. and conversion of the tenses. V1 it indicates simple present. Simple means simple, not indicating about anything. Simple. V2 it indicates simple fast, and will and shall it indicate future. Have you got it? V1 indicate simple present, V2 indicate simple past, and will and shall indicate future. Along with this, VING it indicate continue. V1 plus VING, that is called present continue. V2 plus VING it continue, past continue. Will or shall plus be plus main verb ing, it is continue future. Okay, have you got it? V1 simple present, V2 simple past, will and shall simple future. Main verb ing it indicate continue form of time along with V1, V2 या will shall. Main verb past participle formula number 5. V1 simple present, V2 simple past, and will and shall indicate simple future. Formula number 4, VING indicate continue along with V1, along with V2, along with will and shall. Formula number 5, main verb plus past participle it indicate action is completed perfect time. Action is completed, that is called perfect time. Main verb past participle. And last, perfect continue it indicate main verb ing along with verb past participle along with v1, v2, v will and shall. We will discuss the same things here. Present times. The verb in present times, present tense, refer to the present time, present action. Past, the verb in past times. Okay, verb in past time. For example, watch it represent, it refer present time. Wrote it indicate past times, and will complete it indicate future times. The tenses of a verb shows not only time of action but also state of action referred to. It indicate only time, not time, along with the manners also. Each of these tenses has 4 subtenses, that is called simple, continue, perfect, and perfect continue. Have you got it? It refer verb. It is very important part in the sentence. It is called mother in the sentence. Verb refer time, verb refer manner, verb refer action also. So here is 3 time, but these 3 time indicates the manner of action also. And apart from that, as per the manner of action, we divided verb into 4 categories, that is called simple, continue, perfect, and perfect and continue. Simple means simple. Okay, continue means action is going on, perfect means action is completed, and perfect continue means it indicate action is started before sometimes and presently it is continue. These are the 4 manners. We will discuss the same things in the tables. 5.1.5.1 simple or indefinite tense. It is a simple. Okay, next video we are discussing the uses. Before that, structure is very important. What we discuss? Tenses, it is Latin word which means time. It refer time, and it is a need of time to use tenses in a proper situation for effective communication. There are 3 types of tenses: present, past, future. There are 4 sub manners also, that is called simple, continue, perfect, and perfect and continue. Here is simple or indefinite tense. Here the verb specifies the simple action without anything being said but the completeness or incompleteness of the action. It denotes just simple action. It is not indicate about action is going on, action is maybe completed, is already completed. It denotes it simple indicate in action, simple action. Okay, structure देखो, simple present, simple past, and simple future. V1 subject plus V1 plus object या complement, subject plus V2 plus object या complement, and simple future subject plus will या shall plus v1 plus object complement. Means v1, my formula number 1 is v1 simple present time, v2 simple past times, and will and shall simple future times. Here person, first person, second person, third person, singular and plural. I speak, v1 I speak, plural we speak. Second person you speak, plural you speak. Third person he, she, it speaks. Means if the subject is in third person singular, then we use plural form of verb in the simple present time. Be careful, if subject is in singular form, एक ही हो third person है, तब at that time we use plural form of verb. He, she, it speaks, they speak, otherwise they speak. Same here, have and has also. Has is used when the subject is in third person singular form, then we use has, otherwise we use have. Simple past, same things, first person, second person, third person. I spoke, we spoke, you spoke, you spoke, he, she, it spoke, they spoke, we too. v1 simple present. Be careful, when did we use plural form of verb? If the subject is in third form singular. If the subject is in third form singular, at that time we use plural form of verb. For example, he, she, it speaks, otherwise we use only v1. In simple past we just use v2, and in simple future we use I will, yeah, I shall, we shall. In first person singular or plural we use will, yeah, shall. What is difference between will and shall? Will, it is a positive, shall it is a negative. Will is confirm about our future, we are positive about your future. Shall denotes there is some confusion, there is some problems in a doubt, that's why we use shall. But in plural and third person we always use will. You will speak, you will speak, he, she, it will speak, they will speak. Have you got it? Formula number 1, v1. Be careful about plural form of v1. It is used when the subject is third person singular form, at that time we use plural form of verb, otherwise v1. v2 simple past, and will or shall plus v1. There is no confusion, right? v1 singular or plural v1, but confusion like will and shall, we always use will. American always use will, just we Indian and Britishers sometimes we use shall along with first person singular and plural. Have you got it? I will, ya shall, you will, ya shall, but you will, he, she, it will. Okay, next, continue time 1.5.2. Continuous या progressive tense. Here the verb indicate incomplete or continuous action. Here the verb indicate incomplete or continuous action. Incomplete action, continue, the action is going on. Okay, in present time, in past time, in future time. Formula देखो, same formula. Formula number 4, VING, verb plus ing indicates continue time. Along with present means am is are, along with past was were, along with will या shall plus be plus मेन वर्ब ing. मेन वर्ब ing दिखाई दिया तो कौन सा टाइम है? ओनली एंड ओनली कंटिन्यू टाइम है. एम इज आर है तो प्रेजेंट टाइम, बिकॉज एम इज आर या प्रेजेंट टाइम की टू बी मतलब प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यू टाइम. वाज वेयर प्लस मेन वर्ब ing रहा तो पास्ट कंटिन्यू टाइम. विल बी या शैल बी प्लस मेन वर्ब ing रहा तो फ्यूचर कंटिन्यू टाइम. ing कॉमन है ना बेटा, इसलिए हम कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू बोल रहे हैं. बट प्रेजेंट के लिए एम इज आर, पास्ट के लिए वाज वेयर, एंड फ्यूचर के लिए विल बी या शैल बी. सब्जेक्ट भी सेम रहता है, ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी नो प्रॉब्लम्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट पर्सन सेकंड पर्सन इन present continue, am is are plus main verb ing. I am speaking, we are speaking, you are speaking, you are speaking, he, she, it is speaking, they are speaking. Means am is are plus speaking. I रहा या we रहा, you रहा तो you, he, she, it या थर्ड पर्सन है या दे या प्लूरल है थर्ड पर्सन में. कंटिन्यू पास में भी क्या रहेगा? आप एम इज एम आर की जगह पे was वेयर होगा। ओके, देखो, I was speaking, we were speaking, you were speaking, you were speaking, he, she, it was speaking, they were speaking. Was a singular है, were a plural है. If the singular is subject, then was speaking, okay, and he, she, it was speaking, but you या plural आता है इसलिए were speaking. And continuous में will be या shall be plus main verb ing, मतलब फॉर्मूला नंबर 1 V1 present time, simple present time, plural form of verb when the subject is third person in singular. V2 simple past, will and shall plus V1, that is called simple future. 4 main verb, sorry, to be, present to be, am is are was were या will be shall be plus main verb ing, means main verb ing रहा तो it is a only and only continue या progressive time. Okay, maybe present, maybe past, and maybe future. For examples, I shall या I will be speaking, we will या we shall be speaking, you will be speaking, you will be speaking, he, she, it will be speaking, या they will be speaking. Have you got it? V1 simple present, V2 simple past, will and shall simple future, main verb ing, that is continue. Next video we are continue with perfect, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, and present perfect continue, past perfect continue, and future perfect continue. Then we discuss the uses, and then we discuss the exercise. Today's video, what we discuss, what is the tenses? Tenses is time which is derived from Latin language, which means time. The word which indicate action in the sentence is called verb. Verb indicate times along with manner. Okay, and it is a need of our time to know the correct form of times for effective communication. There are three types of tenses: present, past, and future. Their manner also: simple, continue, perfect, and perfect continue. Okay, V1 simple present, V2 simple past, will and shall plus V1 simple future, main verb ing, maybe continue along with 1, along with 2, along with 3. Okay, today's video it is enough one. Next video we are discussing remaining one. Thank you.